Francesca Odundo, a lecturer at the School of the Arts and Design, University of Nairobi. At the School of the Arts and Design, we have a course that was begun in 1967 and has grown over the years. It has 5 areas of specialization. This is in graphics, illustration, fashion design, interior design, and product design. Shoe design falls under product design. When the competition was first put on the table, the students were slightly apprehensive about participating because, as has been said, we do not have a dedicated shoe design unit. But with time, as the students who were brave enough to engage in the competition went out and came back with news about how they were interacting with the professionals in Bata and learning about the different types of soles, leathers, glues, as well as the all-important social aspect, the staff at Bata were extremely hospitable. Students here became far more interested in what was happening. For the Bata competition, it was extremely engaging and had a very steep learning curve. The students actually began at the level of a concept. They were given a brief and had to work around this to create numerous mood boards that we critiqued at various levels. It can be said that the most valuable aspect of this competition for the students was the confidence that it gave the students that shoe design and manufacturing locally is possible. It can be done, and with knowledge gained in training as well as competitions such as this one we have with Bata, they can go a long distance.